Hello, Stitchy's back. One of my friends, my YouTube friend, said, yeah, you can draw a shark, but can you draw an octopus? So today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process I'm going to use to draw an octopus. And I haven't done this before, so we're going to do this together. Step 1, draw a circle. Loosely, and very lightly. At the bottom of that circle, we're going to add a little flange like this. Here and here. So we've got a circle. Now, hopefully you've been practicing your ellipses. Will be just like from here to here, an ellipse. From there, we're gonna divide this ellipse into 8 little pieces. So here's one here, and there's one here on opposite sides. And there's gonna be like one here and one here, like on opposite sides. And then one here and one here, opposite sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6-legged octopus, and that's like a sextopus. What we really need is an octopus. Oct means 8. Everybody knows that. So let's draw another octopus leg here, and just I'm gonna put one right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are octopus legs. I'm gonna draw a thickness. So these are the outside edges of the tentacles. That's how thick they're going to be. So the front ones first. I'm just making like little U shapes, and I'm still using my whole shoulder. There we go. Now from these center lines, we're going to draw the whole arm. Actually, they're called tentacles. So from this point right here, we're going to draw the center line of the arms. I'm going to do a little S. Just make a little S here, very lightly. And this one here, I'm going to go a big curve like this. Over here, let's see, you can make these any way you want. This one, I'm going to make it go an S this way. And this one here, I'm also going to make it curve. Yep, like that. So now we have center lines for 4 of our tentacles. So those are just the center lines. So I'm gonna go above it and taper down to the end. And the other side, taper down. So it's gonna get narrower the closer I get to the end. See that? Follow the center line and get narrower at the end. Center line, narrow. Center line, narrow. I'm gonna round the corners here, round the end. So round off those tentacle legs. Round that off a little bit. This one, we're gonna follow the taper as well. And then this one, round the taper as well. See that? Still, that's not perfect. So what? So now we have 4 tentacles. Now there's other 4 tentacles over here. You see that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna do the same thing. And it's okay, just draw super light. And I'm gonna do this one. Just like this. And this one, I'm gonna have it go down like this. And this one here, I'm gonna have it go like straight down. Like a jellyfish almost. Okay? So we do the same thing. This is the outside and inside. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's the 4th one. So I'm gonna go. And this one, like a little slide. So the thickness, it tapers down. That one looks thick enough, especially when it's way in the back like that. And this one, I'm gonna start right here. And I'll use this, and instead of a center line, this is gonna be one of the sides. I'll start from here and just go thicker as I go back up. This one, I'm only gonna see because this is all blocked by these other legs. I'll just do this little end here. And this one, whoop. There we go. We have 8 legs. One of them is pretty much hidden. It's still half hidden. That's okay. But I want this octopus to be like happy. So I am gonna draw. Let's draw a face. Draw a little circle right here. And that little circle is gonna contain the whole face. The nose. I don't know, do octopuses have noses? And a mouth? I think the mouth is actually underneath and a real one. But this is for fun. So and we're gonna put eyes on it too. So first I'm gonna draw 2 big ellipses. These are gonna be the eyes. See? Big eyes. I'm gonna draw a tiny. No, I'm not gonna do a nose. That look really weird. So I'm gonna draw a little smiley face. Let's make big pupils. Oh, so cute. So cute. Now on the eyes, from the inside between eyes, to make an eyelid, just go like that. See that? Now there's an eyelid in there. And the same thing over here. Start between the eyes. And I'm going to darken this outside the head. Right? Awesome. Check that out now. Scribble that in. Scribble that in. Oh, is that so? He kind of looks angry. Let's draw some eyebrows. Yep, 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 yep. See those eyebrows? Now make him look less angry. So grab a black pencil or something really, really dark. This step is called locking it in. Locking it in, like pop and lock, pop and lock. So I'm gonna draw light on the top and dark at the bottom. Light at the top and dark at the bottom. I'll just continue that line all the way through the end of the tentacle. Dark at the bottom. Really dark. Thick, dark lines at the bottom. And this is the top of this line. So I'm going to be kind of light here. But I'm going to be dark at the bottom. Especially right here. Especially at this point. This is going to be the darkest part and the heaviest part. Because that's where the whole weight of this octopus is resting. The sauce is going to be really good. We'll do the top. This side. This side. This one. We go from here, and this, of course, the bottom. In this case, the bottom turns into the top. It's light, 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 light. And under here, it's dark, dark, dark. And then it turns into the top. Light, 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 light. And then dark. Dark. And then light. This side, same thing. Light. Dark. Light. This side. Dark. Light. Dark. Light. Because we're really looking at the light source. The light is coming from over here. That's what I'm thinking. So over here, it's going to be the lightest. But everywhere it pinches in, I like to make it a little bit darker. And then where it comes out, it stretches out. It stretches out. You can see, oh, these back ones. I'll draw the back ones. Now, draw the eyes and the mouth. So on this side, I'm going to draw it really light and then dark on this side. See how it gets thicker? Then draw the eyebrows. There you go. There's an octopus for you, John. How you like that? Try that on for size. Go swimming in the ocean with one of these octopuses. Draw some bubbles here. Blub, 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 blub.